What's got a 16-inch foldable OLED display, dual batteries, a magnetic keyboard and stand, and is powered by Intel's 12th gen core processors? You're about to find out. How you doing, everybody? Marco Chiappetta here behind the camera, and I'm with Nate from Lenovo, and he's going to show off a very, very cool product. Nate, why don't you take it away?
Absolutely. All right, so I'd like to introduce to you the new ThinkPad X1 Fold. This is the next evolution in our foldable PC category. And as you can see here, we've got the device oriented in a number of different modes and orientations as this device truly transforms with you throughout your day. Everything from your traditional clamshell laptop experience, which is a 12-inch notebook that can fold into a huge 16.3-inch OLED panel.
Yep.
The panel on this is absolutely fantastic. 600 nit HDR. You're looking at a full DCI P3 100% with Dolby Vision, so you're getting true rich blacks on there. Again, we've got the device set up here in landscape. Fantastic for any type of consumption. Maybe you're doing some work in Excel and need that extra column real estate.
Yep.
As a whole. That device then can be oriented and attached in landscape. I'm sorry, in portrait mode. Portrait mode, fantastic for reading, document review, maybe you're programming, coding. As a whole, the system does have a magnetically attached stylus, so you can write on the device.
Cool.
It magnetically attaches. The keyboard as well is a brand new full-size ThinkPad TrackPoint Bluetooth keyboard.
Yep.
So the keyboard gives you that full legendary ThinkPad typing experience. You can detach it from the device, or you can use the on-screen keyboard as well. So you don't need to take keyboard and stand with you on the go. When you're ready to pack up the day, everything conveniently folds down and magnetically attaches, so that way you can have your carry mode and you're on the go and you're going. So speaking of performance, that's an area where we really wanted to emphasize and make sure that we were giving the optimal experience. In this device, you have up to Intel i7 vPro processors. You have up to 32 gigs of LPDDR5 memory, PCIe 4 storage devices, and from a connectivity perspective, you have Wi-Fi 6E as well as optional 5G. Looking at the ports of the device as a whole, you have 3 USB-Cs. Oops. 2 of which are Thunderbolt 4 ports.
Yep.
On the actual device too, you have a 5 megapixel IR RGB camera. This has Intel's new visual sensing controller built in with advanced AI features like adaptive dimming. So if I look away from the device, the screen itself will dim. Maybe I forget to lock the device when I leave. The system will automatically lock, so lock on leave, and then when I return, it has wake on face.
And that camera works in both orientations, correct?
Absolutely. That was one of the key and critical engineering feats that we really wanted to drive home with this product is no matter what orientation this camera, microphones, and speakers are in, it's always optimized for that experience.
Very cool. So, and this looks like a teardown of the system, right, Nate?
Absolutely, yeah. This is a teardown of the new X1 Fold. So as you can see here, this device has been exploded out. You have, starting with the paneling on the device, this is our new performance woven fabric paneling. Each panel is actually made from 2 recycled water bottles. It's reinforced with carbon fiber on the back, so you get that ThinkPad durability from the device. But when you pull those panels off, you can see the internals and the engineering behind. This is a fanless cooling device. So we have put a lot of thought and effort into the heat dissipation starting with the graphite and copper heat pipe and thermal solution. This helps spread the heat across the device, getting it away from those critical components to help you stay in high performance. Looking at other things like the solid state drive as well as the 5G, these are removable components. This device is fully field serviceable by our authorized service techs, so we can send somebody out to your home or place of business to perform that service. Looking a little bit deeper, we do have a dual battery solution as well. That was one of the big things that a lot of our users were really looking forward to in the first iteration of the X1 Fold. So with the dual battery solution, you get 64 watt hours of battery life, giving you about 11 hours in Mobile Mark 18. Then moving into some of the sustainability of the product, this was definitely a core component that we really focused on. Things like the speaker enclosures, the battery casings, even the power adapters are made of 90% plus PCC recycled plastics.
Wow, very cool. Very nice machine. Thank you so much, Nate. I appreciate it.
Absolutely, thank you.